Are you looking for a way to fix a laptop that won't turn on? Whether you have an HP, a Dell, or any other type of Windows laptop that's not turning on, if you simply press the power button and nothing happened, this video is right for you. It's very frustrating when your laptop won't turn back on, especially if it was just working fine moments before. There are several reasons why a laptop won't turn on. It could be a temporary problem such as a static charge or a loose power connection. However, it could also be more serious, like a motherboard or CPU failure. Before you go out and buy a new computer, there is a chance you can get your laptop up and running again. If your laptop won't start up and you're tired of staring at that blank, black screen, try these methods for fixing a laptop that won't turn on. First, what you want to do is disconnect your laptop from the power adapter and remove the battery. While you're at it, remove any external devices that are connected, such as USB hubs, monitors, or peripherals. Now, hold down the power button for 30 seconds. Holding down the power button will drain any built-up electricity from the laptop's components. Once you've waited a full 30 seconds, reconnect the AC power adapter and press the power button. If your laptop starts, let it boot normally and then shut it down. Try to turn on the laptop with just the battery connected. If it starts with the power adapter but not with the battery, then the problem is a faulty battery. Faulty or poorly installed RAM can prevent computers from turning on. If you recently replaced the RAM or you have installed extra RAM, this may be the issue. Every laptop is assembled differently, but most laptop brands make it easy to access the RAM. Make sure each RAM chip is properly seated. You might want to remove them and then reattach them to be sure. You'll know they're firmly seated when you hear a click and it's aligned with the slots. Remove the RAM sticks and gently rub the pins with a rubber eraser. This drains the RAM of any static charge and may get it working again. Another trick that sometimes breathes life back into a laptop is to remove the RAM and battery and then let the laptop sit overnight. It sounds funny, but this works more often than not. The reason it works is leaving the laptop alone without any power will drain any built-up electricity from the capacitors and RAM. If holding down the power button for 30 seconds doesn't do the trick, you might want to try this method instead. Your laptop might not turn on because there's a loose connection with the power jack and the battery is dead. Spraying the power jack with a can of compressed air to remove any dust or debris that could be blocking the connection is the best approach. Many laptops have very fragile power jacks. If someone trips over the power cable and pulls on the power jack, it could easily break. Test your laptop's power jack, and if it feels too loose and there's no sign of life, it might be broken. If your laptop screen is not coming on, your laptop could be powered on, but the built-in LCD isn't receiving a signal. Some current laptops do not have fans or they're too quiet to hear, so it's not always easy to tell when a laptop is powered on. An easy way to test this is to connect your laptop to an external monitor using an HDMI cable. Most laptops will automatically detect and send a signal to an external display. If you plug in an HDMI cable and on the external monitor your laptop powers on, then you know that the problem is with your LCD screen. Another potential fix for a laptop that won't turn on is to replace or reset the CMOS battery, which looks like a watch battery. This battery helps power the motherboard and save the BIOS settings. When you reset the battery, it will reset the BIOS settings and it could fix your issue. The best way to fix a laptop that won't turn on is to drain the static charge. To do that, either hold down the power button for 30 seconds or remove the battery and RAM and let it sit overnight. If you've tried these fixes in this video and your laptop still won't turn on, it may be time to take your laptop to a repair shop or time to upgrade. We hope this video was helpful for you and encourage you to like and subscribe. Don't forget to visit historycomputer.com to learn more about computers, people, inventions, and technology. Thanks for watching.